And yup, big players doesn't need to be buzzing all game long. They just need that one chance. And there is the man, Lucas Ribeiro Costa, saying, I'm the man, I'm the guy, I'm here. Let's roll it back and let me show you how this goal was orchestrated. So on the screen you see Reeve Frosler and you see Ikram Reyners that I'm pointing at. The tactical detail from Sundown was to use the left-hand side of their attack because Reeve Frosler likes to bomb forward and deliver those crosses. They left the rest defense, which is Dotley, Miguel, and Dovem as their rest defense. And Reyners was using that right hand side that was being left by who? Reeve Frosler. And they did that a couple of times. And that's how that goal of Ribeiro came about. There is another incident in the 11 minutes again. Reyners is running and occupying that left-hand side of the Kaizer Chiefs. Also, Shalulile was using that space. And I want us to look at the gulf difference between the quality of players. There is Mdu missing the very same chance that Ribeiro got. And class is class. Look at that goal. I can't get enough of that goal. The touch to move away from Udov and the finish. That finish is a world-class finish. And Mdu got a better chance to score than this man. And he's the man.